Imagine Wapukali, welcome back, and I hope you all had a lovely week off your schoolwork at home. I'm sure you all had a nice rest and were able to do lots of fun things. It was great to see the weather so much nicer than it was in the previous few weeks, and there's really some signs of spring. So make sure when the sun is out, make sure you get out for some nice fresh air, go out for a walk, find some nice signs of spring. I know I have a few of my flowers coming up again, which is so nice to see. So because it's Monday, we are back on a new school plan. So our news as normal on a Monday. So there's 4 sentences there you can copy. Or if you have your own news to share, anything fun, exciting that you might have done over the midterm break, I'd love to read about it. So also you can have a look at your epic reading as well, or if you have other books at home that you'd prefer to read, that's okay. And on Monday's spellings, we have 3 new words: met, web, and spin. And then for maths, we're going to go over, I'm thinking of a number. So here is some of the questions you could ask to try and figure out what the number is. Then Operation Maths, page 79, and it's the next revision page. So on just before the midterm, you did 78. So we're just doing the second part of that, so revision page. And then Irish, we're looking at Savalia, Ceacht a Cahir, Fecum le Mahulin, Rud Aigen, Hussian le M. So words beginning with M, like Madra, Mala, Muck, Muntor, Monkey, Milshan, Mummy, Mamo, August Mata. So these are kind of the words that you might find. And then leather buna kainta in your lower buna kainta, Lahanach, page 59, Craigany. And then the last thing, we have some geography today. So we're looking at rainy days, a little bit about the weather, but in particular wet days. So because it's springtime, we will find that we get a lot more wet days and a lot more rainy days. And that's a good thing because it feeds the flowers and it feeds the plants and it helps them to grow. But what we're going to look at today is a bit of the water cycle. So how does rain happen? How does it occur? How do puddles appear? So we all know puddles appear by rain, and when there's too much rain, it gathers. So you can have a little read through here about how puddles appear. Where does rain come from, and where do you live? And we all know we live in Ireland, which is a very wet country. And then have a click on this link here on YouTube. It's going to tell you a little bit about evaporation, which is when the water starts to heat and it creates a little steam, and the steam rises. And then there's a little experiment here if you want to try it for a little bit of fun. So I know you love doing experiments. So what you'll need for the experiment is a large bowl of water. You need to mark the level with a pencil, a pen, anything, a marker. So wherever you fill the water to, put a little mark so you can see what level it's at, and then leave in a warm place. So somewhere warm might be a room where you have a radiator on, or it could be a hot press, or if it's not raining outside, you could leave it outside as well. And then what you do is you watch and see, does the water reduce in the bowl? So if it does, that means evaporation has occurred. Other examples of this is like boiling a kettle, when the steam comes out of the kettle, or if you're having a bath or a shower, you see lots of water droplets on the tiles, which is evaporation and condensation. So then you're going to look at page 20 and 21 of your window on the world. Page 20, have a read through it. There's a nice fast fact there. When water evaporates, it changes to steam or a gas. And then part B, on the map, mark X where you live. So you need to mark X on Dublin. And then you write, I live in Dublin, which is over in the east side of Ireland. And then you look at my rain chart, which might take a couple of days because it's going to take maybe a few days of checking your result of your experiment to see how much the rain reduced, or how much the water, sorry, not the rain, how much the water reduced in your bowl. So what day had the most rain? So see if it rains, maybe we could be lucky that it won't rain, but if it rains Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, have a look at that rain chart there, and it'll tell you then how to fill it out. It's kind of like doing data in maths. So you're looking at the graph and you're trying to figure out how much millimeters of rain fell on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then answer the questions there on page 21. That's all the work for today. If you have any questions, just send me a message on Aladdin, and I'm looking forward to seeing the work that you send to me, and I'll be able to give you a voice note back then to let you know how you got on. So have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye.